Hello, gorgeous MakeupMunchies fam! I'm thrilled to share with you a fabulous review today on the brand new Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez Blush and Glow 4-piece mini set. This set includes 2 mini liquid blushes, each with 3.2 milliliters of product, and 2 mini liquid luminizers with 2.5 milliliters of product. The luminizers come in shades Transcend, a beautiful bronzy shade, and Magnetize, a stunning golden shade, both imparting a natural glow to the skin. Let's talk blush. The liquid blushes, named Virtue, a peachy shade, and Wisdom, a dusky mauve shade, are highly pigmented. Just a tiny amount goes a long way, creating a natural, long-lasting blush that stays for 6 to 7 hours on my combination skin. Trust me, these minis pack a punch. I snagged this fantastic Rare Beauty set from Space NK for just £33 during their Christmas sale, and the deal got even sweeter with 2 samples Caudalie Resveratrol Lift Serum and Evelom Rescue Mask. It's an absolute steal, so don't miss out before the sale ends. Don't forget to spread the love by smashing that like button, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell if you found this video helpful and enjoyable. Thanks for tuning in, lovelies. Until next time, stay glam.